Hello everybody. Today we're going to be working a little bit in phonics. For parents who probably don't know what is. Phonics is the way we learn how to read in English. In other words, the way we learn how to combine sounds together and which letters together they're together and they form one sound. To give you a simple example, in Spanish, for instance, we have 5 vowels and 5 vowel sounds. In English, on the other hand, we have 5 vowels, the same 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U, but we have 22 sounds. And not to mention when we combine vowels together and they have more and more pronunciation. So that's it's very important to find a methodology and to use a methodology to teach kids how to be able to read and put letters and sounds together using good English. All right, so I'm going to welcome you to the phonovisual method, which is kind of like an old method, but it's very effective and it helps your kids memorize and learn the sounds and the combination of letters and how they sound, and so that they become natural for them and they can pronounce them naturally eventually. Okay, today we're going to concentrate, as the picture suggests, as the drawing suggests, in the tree E sound. That's why I draw a tree here, guys. Okay, in your phonovisual chart, you will find the sound like this. This is the representation in the phonovisual chart. All right. Let's switch to the next one. All right. Here we have the phonovisual chart. We're going to concentrate initially in vowels and in this line or row number 1 and row number 2. So kids, as you see this video, I want you to repeat with me. Cake A, tree E, 5I, rose O, mule U. Again, cake A, tree E, 5I, rose O, mule U. Now these 5 are what I would call the normal vowel. The name they have in English is long vowels. The long vowels are then KK, tree E, 5I, rose O, and mule U. On the second line, we can find the short vowels. As in contrast to the first ones, which were the long vowels, these are the short vowels. And those are cat, A, bed, E, pig, E, top, A, and dog, Again, cat, A, bed, E, pig, E, top, A, and duck, If you notice, the way I pronounce this is like a Spanish A, but with your mouth very open. So you say ah. And here, the way you pronounce this one is like as if you couldn't open your mouth. Look at my mouth. Look at me. So duck top pig bed This is exactly the same as in Spanish, the same sound, and this is cat A. I call this sound the wakala sound because it's like when you don't like something, I say yuck, wakala, cat A, bed A, pig E, top A, duck A. And let's go back to the long vowels. Cake A, tree E, 5I, rose O, mule U. Okay, now if you notice, I have covered all the sounds. Why? Because as I said before, we're going to concentrate in tree E, the tree E sound. Let's take a look at some words, words that have this sound. For example, look, these three pictures, I am sure they look familiar to you, right? Okay, so we have, the first one is B, B, tree E. You see the tree E here? Tree E, B, tree E. Second one, sheep, sh, tree E, P, sh, tree E, P. And here, feet, feet, f, tree E, t. Let's take a look at some other three words. This one, teeth, t, tree E, f. These two letters together sound f. Look at my mouth again. F. You have to blow air out. F. Again, t, tree E, f. And this one is the word whale. These two together sound tree E, L. And then we have queen, qu, qu, tree E, N. Alright, how about this? Just in case you're wondering, these are not onions. Some people asked me yesterday they were onions. They are not onions, they are beets. Beets, we use beets for salad, and they're like kind of reddish, somewhere between purple and red, and they're kind of sweet. Some people don't like them. I do like them very much in salad. Okay, beet. Let's take a look at how we write that word down. Beet, B-E-E-T. This is what you use in your bed. When you make your bed, you put sheets on your bed. Sh, double E, t, sh, double E, which is tree E, t. And here again, B, tree E, t. And here we have jeep, J, tree E, P, J, tree E, P. Let's go back to the beginning. And once again we have bee, sheep, feet, teeth, wheel, wheel, queen, beet, sheet, jeep. Now let's practice a little bit with some other lists. Let's take a look at the list. Okay, this is what I want you to do. I want you to take a ruler and put the ruler here. Okay, or you can use cardboard or a piece of paper will do, no problem. What I want you to do is move the paper from left to right like this. So if you have this, you say tree E, L, tree E, L, and then you say wheel. Then tree E, T, tree E, T, and that is feet. Then tree E, P, tree E, P, and that is sheep. Qu, tree E, N, qu, tree E, N, and that is queen. Let's take a look at more words. Tree E, T, tree E, T, and that is meat. T, tree E, F, T, tree E, F, that is teeth. K, tree E, P, K, tree E, P, and that sounds keep. Let's go back. Wheel, feet, sheep, queen, meat, teeth, keep. Now we have these. There are a lot of words in English that have the 3E sound on them. Here are some examples. I put these lists here, but that doesn't mean that you have to memorize them. There is no need to memorize the words or the meanings of the words. Remember, what we're doing now is learning sounds. We're sounding words out, okay? So don't worry now about the meaning. Don't worry about don't use dictionaries or anything. Actually, some of these words are invented, so they're not real words. So don't even worry about it. Okay, I'm going to read them out and sound them out for you. Beat, feet, meat, fleet, greet, sheet, skeet, sleet, street, sweet, tweet, breeze, freeze, sneeze, squeeze, tweeze. Bee, fee, see, tea, we, flee, free, glee, tree, knee, leech, screech, speech, deed, feed, heed, need, read, seed, weed. All right, this long vowel sounds E, or what I call the 3E word list, is in your virtual classroom. Okay, right now we're concentrating on this part. So if you guys cannot print this out, then copy these words onto your notebooks. Okay, don't worry about this part and don't worry about this. The thing is that many times the 3E sound takes a different spelling, but for the time being we're concentrating on this one, which is the primary spelling of 3E. Okay, I hope you like this class and you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or any remarks, don't worry, you can write an email. You can send an email to my school email, which is martha.hurtado@colegiomaslow.edu.co. I'm gonna say it in Spanish. marta.hurtado@colegiomaslow.edu.co. It was very nice recording this video for all of you, and let's keep in touch and take good care of yourself. Remember, wash your hands and then have a happy family time. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.